Imagine flying the ultimate personal luxury jet that is incredibly easy and extremely safe to fly. Introducing the Cirrus SF50 Vision Jet. The Vision Jet is unlike any corporate jet you have ever seen, with its gorgeous carbon fiber airframe, distinctive V-tail, and a unique roof-mounted engine location that gives you the smoothest and quietest ride you will ever experience. Climb into the spacious panoramic cabin, and it feels like the ultimate high-tech luxury car. But its true engineering feats lie in its pioneering, revolutionary safety systems. It cruises comfortably at 31,000 feet at over 350 miles an hour, and the aircraft is equipped with a full airframe parachute system. So if there is a catastrophic failure, the entire aircraft can be floated safely to the ground. And with the incredible Garmin Safe Return system, the passengers can just push one button and the jet will autonomously route, communicate with air traffic control, and land itself safely.